Yo. Look. I hear 5-9 South, man. Punching a drop, hustle my whole life. My life ain't set up to punch no clock, and I ain't never changed up to something I'm not. 361, born and raised. I love my block. I got hate in my heart, keep a chip on each shoulder, and I can't forgive them until the beef's over. These homies ain't hand out for them to fuck me over. I'm the trillest, it's God MC V Hover. 5 chains tangled up, my bitch bad as fuck, did 100K 6 years plus. Homie added it up, I'm Mexican in the black man's sport. Y'all ain't have it tough. Drought came, I winning with 6-9 off, I had to bluff. Got with the drivers, got rich off of cannabis. Hardest Mexican alive from Texas to Los Angeles. I know the ops is sick of me, so I keep a stick with me. I really know some goons that'll do shit for free. If we was broke, then I'ma make sure you get rich with me. Poverty left me no choice, that's what it did for me. I brush shoulders with death, still ain't no love left. I see much success, but still ain't done enough yet. Went through hell and back, and still showed less emotions. Lost money, friends, and family, still kept focused. In a world full of hate, gotta stay positive. I had to rob just to come up and shit. I ain't proud of it. 6 months, them tabs had me out of it. Hoodies in high school, getting looked at by different colleges. Hand on my dick, I die for respect. AC on, top down when I ride through the jets. I send daily, Lord protect us. I wrote this on the same day Julian got sentenced. Look, 41 months, give my head a retrial. We gon' flood up that Jesus piece. We got the jeweler on speed dial. Drought come around, stack your chips. Difference between me and you, I still got the Fendi bag, my bitch. I'm the realest, ain't no one left. Yeah. No one after me, that's with respect. Y'all speaking blasphemy, I must confess. It's 20,000 in these essential sweats.